Hi guys, it's Dasha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite current desserts, which is a healthy apple cake. This recipe is gluten-free, refined sugar-free, dairy-free, and of course, guilt-free. So if you're interested, please continue watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthy recipes. You're going to start off by gathering up all your ingredients and preheating the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, you will need 3 bowls and a cake pan, which you will line up with parchment paper. Once you lined up your pan, you're going to set it aside and get all your ingredients. In the first bowl, you're going to start off by mixing all your dry ingredients. We're going to start with the almond flour. Next, the baking powder. And the coconut sugar. Next, you're going to take your second bowl and mix the eggs with the coconut cream. Next, you're going to add the vanilla and the coconut oil. Once that is all blended up together, you're going to add the first bowl into the second bowl. Once everything's combined together, you're going to move on to cutting your apples. You're going to start off by peeling your apple skin. Next, you're going to take your apple and slice it in thin slices. After each apple, you're going to fold the apple pieces into the mixture. So with this recipe, it usually calls for 3 to 5 apples, depending on the size of your apples. Today, I'm going to be using 3 apples because my apples are fairly large. You can use any type of baking apple that you prefer. My personal favorite is the Granny Smith, so that is what I'm using. Once everything's combined, it's gonna look like this. For the final step, you're going to take your third bowl and add the last egg and the remaining of the coconut sugar. Finally, you're going to pour the mixture on top of the cake and bake it in the preheated oven for 40 minutes.